Santa Lucia. Crazy traffic get on by me, they in a hurry, riding on my butt. You go to Olsen here and turn right. Got some good speed bumps out here now. Here's a little bit community. I think it's like a compound. Everybody's related. A good thing about out through here also is there's no spaghetti. They got this two-phase wire out here and that's it. Over to the right is another fish pond. They're coming down. That might be a part of there. Anyway, around through here and I'll show it to you. I'll go back to the, I don't know if you can hear me already. I don't know. Got a guy just, caretakes there anyway. I'm going to turn left. There it is. Anything about that? So I'm going to go down here. Say hello. Hello. How you doing? How you doing? Doing okay? I'm going to go look at my lot. Yeah. I got a lot out there at the end.
There?
Yeah. It's under Elizabeth Gutierrez.
Elizabeth Gutierrez.
My wife. So I'm going to ride out there and
Yes.
have a look, see if they got the steak up yet.
Yes.
They didn't have a steak last time.
Okay.
Okay, we'll go look.
Okay.
Okay, I'll be back. Really nice guy there. He must be a owner or a caretaker or something. I don't know. I'll ask him. No way out. The road's not done yet, guys. It's just put in and then of course it's dirt. Humpity bumpity. And it'll be that way for a while. It's going to be about a year before they get this all developed in where that you can drive down through here and where you can get down through here. I'll come back in a minute. I'm gonna ride out toward that. I don't know if you see it yet, but you'll see it in a minute. There's a track hole out there near where my property is. It's rough out there, but I'm gonna ride. I'm gonna come back and park in the shade there in a minute. I'm gonna ride on out here and have a look. See, I see a place right there. That's one of the things. Yeah, this is rough. I need a dirt bike out here. I need to go get my brother's dirt bike over there. San Joaquin, bring it out here. Okay, yeah, so they've been out here working. That bit. So I have to come out here and do some measurements. It's already surveyed. The big stakes are out. So this is it right here in front of me. Stop a little shy. Yeah. It looks like they've been doing something here. I can't tell what they've really been doing. I'm gonna ride them in a bit. It's a little rough in here. I mean, it's loose dirt. I could get stuck if it was wet, but so I'm in the middle of my lot here. This drainage ditch right there is the outside of it. And I don't see a stake anywhere. But I do see some marker. I have to look around. The road's gonna go right through that way. that goes to San Jose. So let's get a roundabout here and get back to the garage. Sit down. Then I guess we'll have to get out and walk and look close. So it's hot this morning. There's a pylon right there, but it ain't in the ground. So, where would it be? Might be right over there. Where that fence in? Where the fence in? I'm not sure, guys. I'm gonna go up there and park in the shade and walk around a little bit. Have a talk with you guys, yeah. Just show you some different stuff. Hey, you got a big old Hitachi Traco over here. It's all dirt. Dirt. I know you can't see it because they got stabilization on this camera, but pretty rough out here. Let's shut her down.